First day high, first day high, first day high. Are you dead na dead from my first day hair? Sold na sold ka ba on my first day pair? It's Gucci, accents courtesy of Gucci. First day high, I know that this year will be nakakakilig, cause the boys will still be nakabunto.
Hi, precious.
Maginoo, pero medyo bansot. This is the dance kating-kating ako. Terror teachers at ang matamis nilang uno. Canteen food and the perfect spot to tambay. Sarap ng college at ng first day high. Ganyan-ganyan. First day.
Lahat ay naninibago.
First day.
Lahat nagpapapansin.
Ganyan-ganyan. First day.
Lahat ay may tinatago.
First day.
Lahat ay nagpapain.
Ayoko na yata, first day pa lang. Masyado akong bata or pang high school lang. Ang kaya ko, kinakabahan na ata ako.
Ayoko na ata, first day pa lang. Hindi na ako bata, kailangan ba talagang umasok dito? At ang useless pa na major ko, zoology. Anong posibleng mapapaya ng normal na tao sa zoology?
Homework tests, pilahan pa sa enrollment. Konyo kids, kung magtagalog ay may accent. Buti na lang maraming papaya na teachers.
At least in college,
May boobs ang mga cheerleaders.
First day.
Lahat may bagong kagimik.
First day.
Lahat may bagong asta.
First day.
Lahat may bagong kachismis.
First day.
Lahat na bubulaga.
pagka mag-alala ka niya ng first day of school, huwag kang matatakot, marami ang tutulong sa'yo. Tara na't sumabay sa first day high. Chicken pie.
First day.